So I'm going to play like on this side. And this side of it. Because I really like that side. Okay. Sound for this kind of guitar?
I like it.
Well, this is the right sound.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But
It is. It is the right sound. You know what makes it the right sound?
what?
You're making it.
Nuh-uh. It's not the right sound, but I just like it.
Oh, right.
Well, that's the most important thing.
It's not the right sound, right, Dad?
Okay.
Say, hey, that's not the right sound.
Hey, that's not the right sound.
Well, I like it.
Okay then, let's go.
And you say, but I don't like it.
But I don't.